subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to be notified as soon as I posted a new video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a fishtail braid. I hope you find this video helpful. So now let's get started. Step 1. Comb all your hair in sideways and tie it with the help of rubber band. Now split your ponytail into two equal sections, section A and section B. Now using your fingers, separate a thin strand of hair from section A and cross it over to the opposite side of section B. Ensure it to tighten the plait. Repeat the same with a small strand from the other side. Continue overlapping the strands from both sides of the ponytail till you reach the ends. Grab a position of the same size from the other side as well as so that your braid looks even. The tighter you make your braid, the better you can always go for messier look. This will help make your braid look more even. Your hair becomes naturally thinner towards the end. And wrap a hair, tie around the end of your hair or secure the strand with bobby pin or rubber band. So my final look is ready. This braid is easy to create and maintain. And once you're perfect in it, you can rock this braid with any outfit for any occasion. Do let me know how this tutorial helped you in this comment section below. So thanks a lot for watching guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more videos and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.